Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be swatching these four the Pretty Hue nail polishes. Bought these at Lace Beauty on Shopee. We have two shades from their pastel and neon collection, and two shades from their holo collection. We have Florence, and at the back of the bottle, you can see a seal sticker. Then this is Doha. And this is Taipei. And lastly, we have is Milan. Now let's remove the seal sticker. The Pretty Hue is air dry, non-toxic, and it has a gel finish. Plus, it's a peel-off nail polish. At first, I thought the sticker would leave a sticky surface, but it didn't. And the seal sticker says, "Hey pretty!" How cute is that? And now that we're done with peeling off the seal stickers, let's start swatching. First shade I'm swatching is Florence. By the way, I didn't apply any base coats for all of my swatches today, because I would love to see how these polishes peel off. And I'm applying the second coat. The free edge of my nail is still visible, therefore I'm applying a third coat. Florence is a super bright neon orange. It looks super cool in person and it's so bright. Second shade to swatch is Doha. And for Doha's second coat. Doha has a calming pastel green shade. Then we have is Taipei. Now I'm applying the second coat. There are still some negative spaces on my nails, so let's apply a third coat. Taipei has a clear base with deep violet glitters mixed with holographic glitters. And the last shade to swatch is Milan. Now for the second coat. Milan has a clear base with a subtle lilac silver holographic glitters. And here are all of my swatches. Now that we're done with swatching, let me show you guys the peeling process. For Florence, I let it to dry on my nails for 2 to 3 hours before peeling it off. And here's what happened. It peeled off nicely, but not that fully. For the second nail, I tried soaking it with cuticle oil before peeling. And here's what happened. For Doha, I peeled it off after swatching and taking pictures. So I guess it was just 15 to 20 minutes on my nails. And I did the same thing with Taipei. And as for Milan, I let it to stay on my nails overnight. And I applied cuticle oil before peeling it off. And it peeled off perfectly. Now let me show you more clips. The Pretty Hue is 8-in-free, air dry, non-toxic, and it has a gel finish. It's in a 12 ml bottle. It doesn't have any odor at all. It applies so smoothly and I didn't struggle in applying this nail polish. Loving their flat rounded edge brush. And it's so soft and it's so easy to glide onto your nails. It dries super fast and it gives you that super shiny finish. One bottle is 180 pesos. And that's it! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!